So here are facts. Physical therapists provide the most physical therapy services and receive the least reimbursement. There are studies that show that reimbursements are projected to decrease more and more until the year after 2022. Labor costs for physical therapy are in an increase. They are increasing. It means what? You pay higher salaries. Where are you going to get that money from? Is your reimbursement getting better? No, it's not. You're going to cut down your profit to pay the higher salaries. And of course, while you work 60 hours or more a week, you are getting profit margins of 10% or less. So this is what we're dealing with.
According to data from PT Business Alliance, physical therapy reimbursements are projected to further decrease until the year 2022. Because of that, more and more physical therapy private practice owners settle for profit margins of 10% or less, and they work over 60 hours a week while bringing home less and less money. With physical therapy reimbursements virtually at an all-time low, a solution is needed more than ever. Luckily, Hands-On Diagnostics has created that solution. Incorporating diagnostic testing into your physical therapy practice, you'll improve your patient outcomes and increase your reimbursements by billing new CPT codes. To learn how to get the profits you deserve, schedule a private meeting today.
So, why have diagnostic testing as a solution in your practice? Well, there is a tremendous clinical benefit to patient. Your physician will be able to manage the patient better. You are going to be able to manage the patient better. You are going to have higher reimbursements compared to a single PT visit. Okay, so there are tremendous benefits. Increased accuracy of your evaluation, better patient outcomes, happier, healthier patients who participate in their care, greater clinical autonomy. You are going to be able to get, working with HADS, the only fellowship credential in the world in musculoskeletal ultrasound, as well as board certification in clinical electromyography. You'll differentiate your clinic from the competition, and you're going to be able to bill under diagnostic codes and not under physical therapy codes. Yes, you heard me right. That limited universe of physical therapy codes is no longer valid if you are doing diagnostics. You can bill totally different codes that are paid to the physical therapist by the insurance company, but they are not within this limited spectrum of physical therapy codes. And you are going to be able to create new income sources, adding more than 30% to your total revenue. Many of the HADS partners, they are raving about the amazing results they have been having and the feedback they get from physicians as well as from patients based on the diagnostic testing that they are capably performing in their practices with the whole training that we have provided them with. So once again, we said that the current data indicates that reimbursements will be decreasing, and at the same time, your profit margins will be decreasing. And that is without mentioning that we don't know what's going to happen at this point with the 8% reduction starting in 2021, as well as the 15% reduction from Medicare for PTA services. So we don't know where all this is going to lead, but it doesn't look really bright. So a different solution is needed right now to boost the reimbursements. Okay, so are you going to go for some of these type of solutions, cash-based services, or having selling laser services in your practice, doing gym exercise, gym services, offering nutritional products, white labeling products, vitamins, nutritional products, wellness products in wellness programs in your practice. These are all solutions, and they are valid solutions. But at the same time, these are small magnitude solutions. How much money are you going to make by selling vitamins to your patients? How much can you possibly make by doing gym services or offering nutritional products to your patients? Even laser in some cases. And the other thing is that in order to sell these, you or your staff have to be a good salesperson because you charge cash the patient. The solution I'm talking about here, the solution of diagnostics that offers these revenues to these individuals here, they are reimbursed directly by your insurance carriers, including Medicare and Medicaid. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Let's see what Angie had to say about her relationship with HUDs.